This is the PowerDrive Pet Hoover vacuum cleaner. I'd like you to just push the subscribe button and like the video. That helps with the YouTube algorithm. Retails online for about $170. But if you're in Columbus, Ohio, you can get the deal. I will put, well, if you comment, then I will send you a link to the guy's profile that I got this from. Alright, so I got this PowerDrive Pet Hoover yesterday. It is a regular vacuum. It has a hose here that disconnects on the side. Comes with a brush, one of these wand things to get into hard to reach areas, and because this is the pet version, it has this pet turbo brush with a spindle with brushes here. This is the first time I've used it, so you can see the catchment area is empty, but I'll just work on this carpet here, and we have 2 cats, so we'll see what kind of results we get. So this is a swivel, so you just put your foot here and then power on. And then you engage the brush roll here. It's got lights on it. Definitely seeing some dirt getting picked up. Alright, so when you put it up, it stops the brush. But look at that. And it's got LEDs on the front. I'll turn it off now. Okay, so granted, okay, this is a new sweeper, completely new, but I think the results kind of speak for themselves. And this is a carpet that gets vacuumed at least once a week. And holy cow, that's a lot. So this is the PetDrive Power Pet Hoover. There's a filter that lives. Alright, sorry, my last video cut out. My phone died. But what I was saying, there's a foam filter here, and you unlock it and pull it out. It fits in there because it's kind of like grooved in, so it doesn't really lock, but the brushes are down there on the spindle. Can't tell if it's plastic. It says clean the filter, let it dry for 24 hours, only use water. Power buttons here, and you can pull this thing, this wand out. If you pull back and lift up, this thing comes all the way out, and then it is a wand here, and down here this controls the suction, so you can turn it to open or close. That's kind of like a vacuum that I had when I was younger. It says it's the handle release. I'm not quite sure what that means. I guess to let this part go? I don't know. Let's find out. Hang on. Okay. So yeah, you can just unattach that. Sorry, bear with me. One-handed. Alright, so this can go back in here, and it clicks down into place. Suction thing here. And I'm going to clean this carpet. You saw what it did for the last carpet. When you put the container back in, you just snap it into place. But this carpet is substantially smaller. There's the culprit. And he will move, most likely. Again, this is second use, but you can see how much hair is in there. It's crazy. I think it's doing a pretty good job. The top here, this is where another filter is. I can probably show how to get to that. This is how you release the hose on it. You push this button and pull down, and then it pops out and then locks back in place. Sorry, that was a poor camera angle. This unattaches. Hose. It's got not very stiff brushes. The bottom, let's flip it down. This is, it feels like, yeah, it's wood. I don't think that's plastic. These brushes are a lot firmer, and there's some rollers there. Some of the computer hardware, I guess this needs it. There looks like the engine, or not the, yeah, the engine, I guess. It says it's wind tunnel. Okay. That just snaps down. HEPA filter access is down here. Interesting. So it has a HEPA filter, which that definitely makes sense since it's a pet product. This here, this is the dirt cup release. This part, this up here releases as well. It says to unlock, twist lid. So, and that releases that. You can rinse this off with water. Locks in place. The silver part faces. There you go. So I'm pretty impressed with it. It seems like a reasonable machine, and I imagine this attaches well to the hose. So let's pull that out. So it must attach to the wand. This is just for, this is for other cleaning. So I'm not going to show that. I imagine if it's able to pick up that much cat hair, that you can see it will pick up other things as well, especially with a hose where it's a smaller tunnel. Anyways, please like and subscribe. 99% of people who watch these videos do not subscribe, which sucks. But I appreciate you watching anyways. Check out that.